In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to pay using Flybuys points on Target. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your Flybuys account is linked and you have enough eligible Flybuys points available to redeem. Launch your Target app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase. Add those to the shopping cart. Then head over to the carts page. Then proceed to checkout. During checkout, if your order is eligible, you will see the option to redeem Flybuys points. Select this option and choose how many points you would like to use toward your purchase. The redemption value will be applied to your order totally automatically. If your Flybuys points don't cover the full amount, simply pay the remaining balance using another accepted payment method such as a credit or debit card. Keep in mind that Flybuys point redemption is only available for eligible purchases and the option may not appear for every order or promotion. And that's it. This is how you can easily pay using Flybuys points on Target. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.